Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project, automatic irrigation system. So let's see what are the hardware components we are using in this project. So in this project we are using a 230 volt AC power supply. So this is a step down transformer which convert the 230 volt AC power supply into 12 volt AC. So this is a bridge rectifier circuitry which convert the AC into DC. So this is an voltage regulatory circuitry. So this is our main microcontrol board which is an Arduino Nano which control the whole operation of the project. So this is an liquid crystal display which show the parameter of the project. So this is a buzzer and relay controlling circuitry. So this is our main sensor which is a soil moisture sensor. So this is a water pump. Like this system we are using the hardware components in this project. So let's see the working of the project. So as you can see here, right now it is in initialization. So after that the project will be turned on. So as you can see here, the water pump is on because the soil moisture sensor is not wet. So that's why our water pump is on. So whenever the soil moisture sensor will get wet, automatically the water pump will be turned off. So as you can see here, all the parameter of the project will be displaying like this system. So whenever I remove the soil moisture sensor from the wet position to dry position, so automatically the water pump will be turned on. So like this system the project working is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. So thank you for the watching the video.